that fucking lure is fucked at the end. Swear to God.
Oh, got him. My drag is too loose, so that's gay.
Fighting that son of a throat.
Oh, it feels like a nice fish, dude.
Fucking pikey. Fish on!
Fish on!
Fish on!
Don't forget that anything you say in this video, people are gonna see.
Watch that jumping after it.
Oh, this is a nice fish. This is a real nice fish. Oh, no. Oh. Yep. Oh. Yeah, he ain't liking this too much.
No.
There we go. Fuck
Very
yeah,
nice,
dude.
Mr. Bryce.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Here you go.
Boom, baby. Number one of the day. Bro, there's literally a fucking tapeworm on here. Look at that. Tapeworm on my hook that came out of its guts.
Tasty.
Awesome.
Tasty.
Yummy.
Extra protein, man.
Look at it. It's all wrapped around the hook here too.
Keep your asshole clenched.
Grody. Yeah, that's a nice fish though. Well, let's get her back.